friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will cover two different ways to duplicate an object in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Press Ctrl or Command J and copy the layer. Now for the first method, select Patch tool by going to the toolbar. Make a selection over the area where you want your object to be placed. Now simply drag it over the object, in this case which is the flower, and it will be duplicated. In the second method, choose the clone stamp tool from the toolbar. Select the area you want to copy by pressing Alt or Option. Paint it where you want it to be placed, and that's it. Do let me know which method you like the most, and for more such tutorials, do like our video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.